Custom built by local developer Fred Almeida, this fabulous Colonial features a wonderful open floor plan that enjoys tall ceilings and exquisite millwork. The large, shady farmer's porch welcomes you to the home as you walk into the spacious interior. The stylish dining room and living room showcase detailed wainscoting and enough space for any occasion. French doors open from the living room to a private home office. Bask in the sunny cook's kitchen with peninsula seating and a multi-windowed breakfast corner, all open to a gorgeous fireplaced family room. The first floor suite comes complete with a full bath and is perfect for a guest in-law or au pair. Step out to the wraparound deck with multiple seating areas and entertain your guests. On the second level is a luxurious vaulted master suite with a fireplace, walk-in closet, and an ensuite spa bath. 3 more generous bedrooms along with a den and a full bath complete this level. The third floor has a skylit recreation room along with a full bath, creating a bright retreat. As an added bonus, the finished basement provides an additional getaway. This desirable cul-de-sac location is just minutes to the town beach and the Rhode Island Country Club, home of the CVS Charity Classic. Right around the corner is the Nayet School, an elementary school that is part of Barrington's Blue Ribbon education system. Minutes away is the Barrington Town Center, where you can find locally owned businesses and the town library. Take advantage of the Barrington Yacht Club or the facilities at the Bayside YMCA. The East Bay Bike Path provides a scenic tour from India Point all the way to Colt State Park. Downtown Providence and its great cultural scene is only minutes away from this tranquil coastal location. For more information, please visit the property website or call Nancy Weaver at area code 401-837-2355.